Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to play Break-In Story 2. Because why not? So yeah, I'm just gonna join it. I'm not using my headphones this time. Oh my god. I know that they have let me turn this down. So I know that they have oh my god, why can't I talk? I know that they have my headphones. I know that they have like a microphone, a mini microphone built in them. Except I don't want to use it because you can barely hear my voice in that, which is kind of weird. So I have to put it so close to my my mouth. I'm gonna be playing as a lollipop kid because this makes you faster and it also gives your hunger, like it gives you whatever. So I'm just gonna keep playing. I already posted a video like just 13 minutes ago maybe, or 5 minutes ago, but it was just about, you know, I'm just so bad at editing. I'm so bad at editing and I don't like that. I was gonna make it like in a velocity edit, except the bad thing. What was that? Oh, somebody ate their lollipop. I was just saying that I'm just so bad at editing, and I just haven't posted in a while, so yeah, I'm a little sad though. Cause I was gonna make it a velocity edit, except it didn't go well. Because every time I tried to make it, it was slow in between the velocity, and I didn't need to do that. So I just did flashes, even though I actually used velocity, but it was still like a lowish one. It was still a little, like, you know what I mean, like low, like, what am I saying again? Oh my god. Honestly, don't know what I'm saying. Hey, I'm the first one in. Wait, I want to be the first one to reboot the power. Hey, I said I was going to be never mind. Why does everybody stay right there, though? Like, there's nothing that they do. You just tap on it and you can run away. But, I mean, I honestly don't know why. Oh, is it that loud? It's so loud to me. I can barely... Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. I'll just keep it down. Right there. I was literally watching YouTube, so instead I turned off everything. I turned off the TV because I was watching YouTube, but I wanted to make this video because why not? And I'm gonna start doing push-ups for no reason. I should have chose the sporty drink. I'm fine with a lollipop. It still makes me faster in it. Whoa! Why was it so dark? That's weird. So weird how it was that dark. Trying to get in a comfortable position. Secret evil villain base. Okay. Oh, we broke into the secret evil villain base. Next video I'm probably gonna make another edit unless I'm gonna make the video of me doing Break-In Story 1. Break-In 1. I'm probably gonna do that. We are accidentally in the secret evil base. We've done a break-in, so we technically broke into the base. Whoopsies! Explore the base, train at the gym, then fight bad guys for money. Ooh, we can get money, except our thing goes low. Our heart rate. Ugh, can't do it. Can't see it. Energy. It's gonna take me forever to do this. Level 2. Okay, then I'll get my speed up. Wait, why do I look so skinny? What the heck? I look so skinny. I don't like that though, but I still look so skinny. Lucas, baby, 67? What the? That's a little weird. I'm gonna try to finish this whole story, if I can. If I can't, then I guess it's fine. How many people are in level 3? None. Go. I tap so fast. Do, 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 do. NDAG. NDAGG. That's a name. I never knew that. Ow! Nothing just happened. Oh, I forgot I can turn the music off. I don't like the music on anyways. So this was their whole base this whole time. Well, I've played this game already like 3 times actually. But still, I can't believe that this was their base before. On Breaking Story 1. Come on. I can't fight until I get like 4 punches because it'll take a long time. Some people already like to fight even if they didn't even train anything, but some people like to do that, which is kind of weird. And that person over there is Little Destiny, I think. Little Destroyer 2017. He was the one who wanted to fight first, I guess. Yay, level 3. Okay, now I'm gonna get my speed up. I like to go to the back one because just in case, you know. I don't know why. Just in case. A broadcast is starting on the TV. Why though? Oh my god, I want... No! Let me run, please. Let me run! I wanted to run. I got a crowbar. This weapon is weak for your level. That's rude.
Breaking news. I repeat, breaking news. Scary Larry's body has gone missing after his defeat.
I know that.
Now, a few weeks later, there has been a break-in.
There's me! Look at me! Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Look at me. Just look at me right there. I'm gonna crop this because I love this. Save the photos.
It'd be easy to beat. We are preparing 3 ways of backup to defeat them once.
Okay, since when? Since when was there a Scary Mary now? Scary Mary. That's weird. So we have 40 seconds for wave 1. They drive that fast. They drive a little too fast. No, I don't want to get to the... Wait. Oh, no. No, the door's locked. I forgot about that. And then it loses your energy. No, people, don't stay here. Don't stay here. You have to go down there. I only have 14 charges for my lollipop. I'm saving them, though, for when I actually need it. Hip. Yeah. Did I just hear them? Drive across the base. 8 seconds and then they're here. Yeah. Get ready, guys. Wait, why didn't we get, Oh my god. The doors are honestly locked. Why is it... Why is everybody so scared? Okay, time to kill them. Die. We said die. Okay. I think we killed them all. Nope. We killed absolutely none. Get. Phew. Did we kill them all? Yep. I need a lollipop. Wait, how do I get the... Ah! Oh, wait, don't one of these drop a... Yeah. That's how much damage it does? It barely does any. Wave 1 out of 3. Money. So I get, what, $10 for that? Okay, where would the key be at? Just saying, where would it be at? Ah! Help me! I didn't mean to fight! Okay, yeah, I need... You heard me not right. You didn't hear me right. Why is he locked again? Is there a key? Scary Larry items collected. Ah! It's me! Hi, guys! Hey, Rise. Oh, my God. I don't care about that. The only thing I care about... I wish I had an energy drink. I think I know that... I'm going to be the first one over there, though, because I was running up there. Gotta run, gotta hide, gotta run and hide. Sorry, that's just a song I've been singing since I was like 2 years old. Wait! Don't you dare hit me. Okay, I got the cash. Sorry. Agreed. Angered? Oh no. Just why? Ow! Why only me? Yeah, I'm losing energy, but I don't want to waste all my candy. Wait, I can buy stuff. I forgot. I'm so dumb. Cookie. And an apple. Nummy. Nummy. I do not want a skin. 40. Dang, I can only pay for these. Another apple. Okay. Wait, I'm so dumb. I did not check the drawers. Why am I that dumb? Oh my god. Okay, I thought they actually took everything. I'm trying to get my... What happened? Oh, the face just looked weird. Money! How much money do I have now? 25? I can still... I think I can buy another food. I think I can. I can! I'm sure... Oh. Never mind. I already have enough, so... I'll buy it for later, actually, because I'm not wasting my candy and all that. Yes! There's drawers in here. I never noticed that. More money? Why am I getting... Imagine there's money in every drawer. Just imagine money in every drawer. I have too much energy now. Okay. Is he healing himself? Oh no, because he chose the med kit for the adult thing. He can heal himself. I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I gotta get my speed up. Wave 2 is coming anyways. Actually, no, I don't want to be next to him. No, get me out. I want to be right here. Funny how I'm still walking. I should be running soon. Level 2. Inside plus outside speed. So this is inside and outside speed, I guess. Gotta run, gotta run. Everybody's fighting now because they dropped ×2 money, which would be 2, like, I don't know how to say it, but. So, what food? What type of food anyways? 17. Wait, who is Mari Keku cool girl or boy? 20 bucks. I wish I had more. Maybe after this, guys, we could, if I finish it, I'm gonna play Bloxburg and show you how bad I'm building. How bad I am at building. Yeah, I'm very bad at decorating. I can even show you on how I make a dumb house. Oh my god, I'm at level 3 already. Actually, no. I'm gonna stay at level 3. Why is it shaking? Oh my god, wait, there's 2 buses now? There's 2 cars coming. Okay, we gotta get ready. Somebody needs to find that key. And why is the kitchen door closing up? There's money and pizza in here. Wait. Let me grab my money so I can get out. Wait! Okay, I made it. Wait. What else is in there? I need to find something in the kitchen. There's probably a key in there. Wait, are they being locked in? I can actually go, wait, what's that? Hold on, what is this? Ah! So I can't jump it because I'm gonna fall down. Wait, how much people are left? Okay, there's still a lot, but there's only one down there. Are you so scared of me too? Get away. Why are we all going up here? And just why? Yeah, if we don't fight them soon, then we're gonna die. Wait, who just died? Who just died? Are they? Ah! Candy. I go to go faster. Go, 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 go. Ah! Somebody help me, or I will kill you. Bye. I am running. Ah! How am I staying alive? Again? Oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. Wait, help me, help me. I just wasted all of my candy. I don't care anymore. Ah! If I don't survive, then I have to play blocks. Frick. We didn't make it. Dang it. She made it. Because people are scared these days. Honestly, don't know why. Wait, the way that it opened, though. Yeah, I don't care. Game over. Ugh. Time to play Bloxburg, since I am so bored from that game. I wasted all my candy for nothing because I had so low energy. It's funny how I did that. So funny. Ha ha ha. I'm laughing like crazy. No, I'm not. Doo doo doo. Bubblegum kid. I'll show you how bad I'm building, like how bad I am at building. I'll even show you a tiny house that I'm gonna make. Why does it take forever to load? Usually it doesn't do this. That's weird. Let me try again. If it won't load, then I'm just gonna play a different game then. Let's see. My favorite game would most likely be Fling Things, except people don't usually make YouTube videos on Fling Things. There's only one YouTuber that I know that makes Fling Things and people YouTube videos. China. Oh, Cha. Yeah. I'm flying. Okay, now where should I go? Over here. I'm already bored. I know. I get so bored so quickly because there's like nothing to play. War Machines, I love that game, except I don't want to play it. You know what? I don't know if you guys will even like this video because mostly you guys don't like those type of videos that I make that are literally so good and take forever to edit. I'm gonna play the kinetic abilities. By the way, it did not take me all morning to edit that last video I made. It only took me like, I don't know, 2 minutes? 3, 5? I don't know. It took me a little tiny bit of time. I hope you guys can play the kinetic abilities because that's like the best game ever. For powers, like for a power game, if you're looking for a power game, just type in the kinetic abilities. And if you don't know how to spell kinetic, it's Kinectic, I think. Oh wait, no, that's kinetic without the C. Kinectic. Yeah, kinetic, I think. I don't know. Do. I'm so bored and tired. I don't know why though. Oh my god. Finally. Wait, I have a green force field and I don't want that. I like to match my powers for the colors. By the way, once you join and you're new to the game, you can't choose the color, but it'll choose the color for you unless you buy the game pass. So yeah, I can choose whichever color I want here. but I'm gonna choose blue because it matches. And if you guys choose the force field power, which would be Pyrokinesis, if you ever choose that power, it'll always give you blue unless you buy the game pass to change color. I bought every game pass in this game, so I even have data bypass or bypass data, whatever it's called. Yeah, I have that data bypass, whatever it is. So like whenever you want to switch your power, it doesn't change you back to level 1. It keeps you whichever level you're on. I'm on level 100, so that's why. And I'm hostile. Did somebody just get flinged all the way over there? That's not possible. What's gonna happen? Why am I yawning so much? I'm yawning so much. Did he just try to kill me? Hey, get back here. Get back here, kid. Oh. Ah! What was that about? Whee! There's a teddy bear! I want to name him Teddy. Wait, what does his face look like? Please don't tell me he has a mask on. He has a good face. Ow. Hi. Does somebody have electric? What? I think the bacon has electric and he's level 100. We gotta fly. I usually go far up so I don't hit the trees. Why am I yawning so much? I think I'm still tired. This lady's a little weird. I'm gonna watch her. What you doing, lady? Oh no. No, not me. No. I'm level 100. Though. Now watch her say, everybody's gonna say, can we try? What do you want, lady? How did that miss her? Okay, there, finally. It's hard to control this thing sometimes. If you want to use the force surround, you have to tap on the player and then press force surround. But you have to do it the quickest you can, because if you wait forever, it won't work. I'm gonna keep learning that for a while so she can see what she's learned. Now she's out. Watch her come back towards me. Please protect me. Should I become? I'm gonna become telekinesis. Takes forever to load. What was that? Die, water lady. How did I grab someone, but I didn't even tap on them? That's impossible. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm bored again. So I'm gonna leave. See how bored I get so quickly? Because there's like nothing to do in Roblox that much. Unless I find a good game, but... Moderator life. These are all the games I've been playing off camera. What about the present? You know, I'm gonna do it in a different Bloxburg server besides my friend's server because it won't load for me. So I'm trying to find one that's not 12 out of 12 people. It's gonna be a while till I find one. Load more. Why doesn't it load more whenever I tap on it? 11, 11, 11. Yay, it was 11 out of 12. Now it's completely full. Still stretching. Ah. I was gonna make like a farmhouse on this one, so I can show you how I'm gonna make it. Did they find? Oh, I thought they finally added like pets. Why is the remote right next to my feet? I'm gonna figure out the color. Why is there no buttons? That just looks weird. So what should the house color be? Maybe something like this? No. What about pine cone? Yeah, pine cone looks good. Logs. Is that a Jeep? A Jeep in this game costs like $120,000 or something. I'm gonna keep the inside a little whitish. Yeah, that color's good. I'm gonna build a fence first. I'm gonna do it for the whole farm. It's gonna be a small one though, not that big. And another. It's a very small farm. I can add another here. I'm gonna add another here. So this will be for the thing. It costs that much money. Oh my god. This will be for the barn. What am I doing? Oh, and I also need colors for the barn. I need colors for the, oh my god. I'm gonna put it right there. So it's gonna be a red, of course. A dusty rose. Usually they're like this type, yeah. And then the inside can just be the same color as that, white. Wait, isn't it usually like brownish? Probably is. So tired today. Let's hope it goes out right. Yep, it did. Bad thing is I made it too big. I made it so big already. I don't know how to decorate that good in here. Bad thing is we don't have animals. Why do I keep saying bad thing is? What? Why? Yeah, never mind. Yeah, change. Oh my god. What is wrong with this thing? It doesn't let me press cancel. Something's wrong with Bloxburg. Honestly, something is wrong. Grass. That's lush grass. I'm looking for grass. There you go. Now I'm gonna build a stable inside the barn. One here, and another right here, I guess. There. This will be the entryway. We can add some windows. That's usually what they have. I don't know, where is it? Here, this one. Usually they add those type of windows. There. Now, the roof. And this one. Yay. Got it. Still looks a little weird. Why doesn't it let me press cancel? Why? And it's only when I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. Why doesn't it let me press cancel? What's wrong with that? Oh my god. It's like something's wrong with Bloxburg. Unless something's wrong with my iPad, but probably have to clean it. Yeah, I probably have to. That just looks so bad. I gotta do the inside color. What? That color, yeah. Same with this one. Gonna be pine cone. No, pine cone and pine cone. That looks just so bad. This barn honestly looks the worst thing ever. Yeah, I'm not gonna... You know what, guys? I'm probably gonna end the video here because this thing is like reacting to me too much and it doesn't do anything. I'm gonna finish this barn house later. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Bye.